If you're hunting for a fast gaming monitor that doesn't destroy your budget, the MSI MAG 244F is definitely one worth looking at. It's a 2.4-inch Full HD display, and while 1080p might not sound cutting edge in 2026, that's actually part of its strength. At 24 inches, 1080p still looks sharp, and it allows your GPU to push much higher frame rates compared to 1440p or 4K. That's a big win for competitive gaming. Where this monitor really stands out is speed. It offers a 200Hz refresh rate, which is noticeably smoother than standard 144Hz panels. Fast-paced games like shooters, racing titles, and battle royales feel incredibly fluid. On top of that, the zero point 0.5 milliseconds response time keeps motion blur minimal, helping with clarity during quick flicks and fast tracking. It also uses an IPS panel, so you're not sacrificing color quality for performance. Compared to older TN panels, you get better viewing angles and richer colors, which makes games look more vibrant instead of washed out. There are a couple trade-offs. The stand only supports tilt adjustment, so if you want height or swivel control, you'll likely need a monitor arm. And since it's 1080p, it won't offer the pixel density of 1440p or 4K displays for productivity or detailed creative work. That said, for competitive players focused on smooth gameplay and strong responsiveness at an affordable price, it hits a very sweet spot.